Good morning, guys. It's a Monday today. We had a pretty busy weekend where we went to the beach and enjoyed, but before I go to the gym, or actually after I go to the gym, I want to talk to you about my testosterone levels, which I got checked last week. I got a lot of blood work done and also explain to you why I decided to start using peptides. I haven't gotten it yet. I haven't talked to a doctor yet, but from all the information that I've read or all the research that I've done, peptides are the thing that will most likely help my shoulders and my back from all the swimming injuries that I have. I have rotator cuff injury. I have just, my shoulders are not the same anymore. I hear like a little puck every single time I use them. But we're gonna go hit the gym right now, then go to Whole Foods, and then I'm gonna talk to you about more of my decisions and what to expect from this YouTube channel. But beforehand, we need to say goodbye to baby Nala, right? And the reason why we don't have a couch cover over here today, because she peed on it. So it's getting cleaned up right now. She really likes it. And then I wanted to show you something. So yesterday we went to church, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a tree symbol over here. And in church, I brought this for the first time, my journal, and they started talking about the fact that life is more like a tree and a lot of things about trees. And I thought it was kind of crazy because that was the first time I took my journal, which has a tree symbol, which I noticed yesterday, into church, and then started talking about trees, and I was like, well, that's kind of crazy. But the thing I wanted to show you is Lynn just got this book right here. The Democrat Party Hates America. So he's gonna start reading it soon. But I listened to it just a little bit, and it sounds like a pretty good book. But with that being said, we're gonna go to the gym. But before we go to the gym, I wanna talk to you a little bit more about what I like to take. So I know last video I told you that I don't take caffeine anymore, but honestly, especially like with running, biking, and overall like thinking wise, clear wise, having caffeine gets me kind of like in the high zone of having new ideas and just being really excited about doing crazy things. I like bulk, which is not sponsoring. All these products that I'm showing you is the products that I like to use, and it has pretty clean ingredients. I'm also experimenting with electrolytes from BPN. I started watching Nick Bear. Love the guy. The guy runs like ultra marathons like it's nothing. So electrolytes, I do one scoop of this in the pre-workout, and then one scoop of this, and then that helps me with all the sweat. And if I go running, I like to have 1 or 2 scoops of this with electrolytes, and then also pre-workouts, all of it together. Because when you're running, when you're biking, you sweat a lot. You need more salt, and that's why I eat more steak. But we're gonna talk about the supplements. If you crave sweets, especially in the morning like I do, raw honey, Malibu honey, is delicious. I give it to Nala all the time, and it's kind of like getting my digestion going. So that's all I take in the morning, all these bad boys. And if you are interested in getting them, I think I have like a link down below in the description so you can check it out. Every time I try to get her to come with me somewhere. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, now you want to come to Papa. No, you want to come to Papa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you just to Papa? You're going to be left at home for just a little bit? Did Papa play with you already this morning? Did Papa play with you this morning? No. Goodbye, Nana. So we just arrived to the gym, and Lynn, well, we're blasting the music on the way there, and Lynn said something that I want you guys to hear too. She said, fuck the 9 to 5, do what you want to do. And I would love it if every single one person that sees this right here takes an action and does something that they actually are passionate about. I am recording right now in the middle of the parking lot with a big camera, And does it look weird and embarrassing? Yeah, but who cares? I'm gonna see it afterwards and I'm gonna say, you know what? I did that. If I inspire one person from this video, I'll feel like I have achieved something. And that is why I want you to pursue whatever it is, fitness, social media, if it's even playing a guitar, if you want to be, I don't know, what is it called to play guitar? Like a musician? It's like a magician. Whatever you want to do, just go Musician. Okay, just never mind. Just pursue it. Speaking about pursuing things, I need to pursue my goals and become shredded now. Look at everything that I did for you guys. I need to put the tripod down to make it look all pretty. Show them the gym. It's so nice. So this right here is all back. In the back is all legs. And then the section, this is also like back and like everything else. And all of that side is shoulder and chest. It's crazy. Compound here in sunny San Diego. But the main reason why I don't go high, I rather do more reps, is because I feel like I can injure myself very easily because my shoulder can give up at any time. So that's kind of like another reason why I'm trying to get into peptides now, because that is more natural, it's human made, and it's not steroids. I've been looking into stem cells, but right now they're just a little bit too expensive. They're like $20,000-$25,000. So that's for down the road. Anyway, let's keep going with the workout. always be the average of the 5 people you hang out most with. This is why it's okay to pay for the expensive restaurant meal, for the expensive gym, for the expensive something, because that's the people that you want to hang out with. That's the people you want to be surrounded with. The ones that are making the money. It's okay to fake it until you make it. Sometimes I'm faking it too. So we used to go to Costco all the time, but then we were buying too much of a lot of food that we were not even using. And that's why we decided to, you know what, let's just try to give Whole Foods a chance. Because we're gonna buy less and it's gonna cost almost the same amount. And Whole Foods, especially with the steak and the food, everything is more fresh. Everything, yes, it's more expensive, but over long term, I'm okay coming here like 2 or 3 times a week and getting better quality foods so I look better. What you eat is, no, what was this called? What you eat is the person that you are. You are what you eat, basically. Whenever you're shopping, make sure you're not skipping all the fruit over there. Fruit is healthy as long as you know which ones are. We like to get the onions for the burgers and the potatoes too. It's very healthy for you. These ones, all this section is probably more expensive than all the junk and the chips that they offer, and there's a reason why. And always get the organic, because yes, we even wash our raspberries and our strawberries, but they're still so dirty, even the organic ones. So make sure you always opt to the organic ones. You see right behind me, all these carbs, this is what you should not be eating. Instead, if you're looking for something sweet, you can always have some strawberries, you can have some raspberries like we do. Don't eat those if you're sweet. My favorite section is right there where the steaks are and all the meats. That's what makes me feel alive. But let's get some beef. So I chose these ones because we have like 6 of the green ones and we have also Force of Nature. So I like to have like different kinds. And it's also grass fed. So even though you can't really see that well, but I already got 2 of these pieces right here, and then I got 4 of these. So in total I got like 7 pounds. We just wrapped up all the shopping. I'm gonna show you just a little bit. What do you guys think? How much did we spend? All these are full and a lot of meats are deep inside. I'm gonna put in the car. Typically every single time that we go to Whole Foods, we spend at least $200-300
No,
easily. Way more. Just the olive oil is like $30. Honey, I got 2 of them. They're like almost $20 each. But you know what? You eat good food, you feel good, you make more money. It's all worth it. And if you are an influencer, I think in a way you can write this off. All right, so are you guys curious about what we got? If you want to live a healthy life and you want to extend your life, feel good, I think if you follow just a few of these things that we got, or just get a few of these items, I think it's gonna help you a lot. So let's go with on the right side. This is not mine, this is Lynn's. She likes to have, you know, the truer chips, totally fine. This is for cleaning. This is the soap. I'm gonna go over things that I'm not really interested in. But one thing is, if you are stinky like me and you go to the gym, this is the best deodorant. It's a crystal salt, and I tried so many deodorants. They all smell bad on me. Also this right here, great olive oil. This is what we use for the chicken, which I'm gonna show you. Also truffle oil is healthier. And you guys already know I like my honey, so we always get some Malibu honey. Also that one little one is in love with Malibu honey. Poop bags. This is my favorite chocolate in Whole Foods. It's kind of expensive, $5 per one. That one is gonna be for burgers. It's gonna be wrapped. Got some more vegetables, more kiwi, potatoes, the grass-fed beef that you guys saw, steak. This is the best eggs that you can get in Whole Foods besides the blue ones. The blue ones are also pretty good. The chicken is organic and it's free range chicken, so it's not the best, but it's the best one that we could find in Whole Foods. And when it comes to butter, we used to use olive oil all the time, but now we're gonna use unsalted butter, 100% grass-fed, healthy. Right, bebes? It's much better. We got some more kiwi over there for her, raspberry over here, cucumber, pickles. I think I got everything. She likes to make Vietnamese food, so that's for the Vietnamese food, but this is it. Literally, what? That was like, what, 2-3 minutes? If you eat similar food, we also got strawberries before. Basically, eat food that's meat, beef, vegetables, fruit. You're gonna be so much healthier. So me and Lynn decided to go to the beach today because we went yesterday and it felt really nice. But I wanted to end the video here and explain, before I do so, explain why I'm hopping on peptides. Look at this. Go get it, baby. And the reason is because I've tried so many things before. I've tried physical therapy. I've tried all the massages that you can get. I've tried the electro, like the stings that they do for your muscles. I've tried MRI. I've went to a lot of things to find out what's wrong with my back. I also did a chiropractor. I've done it all and I haven't received anything. And I think that if I fast 3 to 7 days, at least one time, that would help me a lot. But also I heard and I researched that peptides are basically natural. A lot of athletes do it because it helps them with recovery. And honestly, my shoulders, I feel like I'm like 50 years old, my shoulder wise. And I don't want to feel that way. I don't want to feel the clicks. I don't want to do this all the time. If you know me, you know this is what I do all the time. So I think it's the right path for me. What do you guys think? Let me know. I hope I'll make the right choice. And I'm gonna, of course, show you the journey of what it looks like. And just overall to bring you to my life. Because I want to show you my success, my downfalls, everything that I do. And grow as a person with you guys. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, до свидания.